This is my village. The air and the soil here have their own fragrance. I want to show you the real part of my life. Every morning here begins with nature and hard work. This is the beauty of our village. Evenings in my village are full of peace and togetherness. This is where life feels most real. Rain brings a special kind of happiness to our village. The earth feels alive, and everyone forgets their worries for a while. Weddings in our village are not just about two families. They are about the whole community coming together.